BC Racing, turbo BRZ. Should be fun. It's turbo BRZ from my homies at BC Racing. But just complain about the headlights. It's kind of hazy. I'm gonna bring back the clarity. You know, it being Florida, develop all these stress cracks. So that's all on the lens itself. But on the clarity part, I'm gonna try my best to make it shine. Woo! These cars are absolutely so much fun. With about 350, 400 wheel, these things are a blast to drive. So yeah, today's project, turbo BRZ headlight resto. Prep the lens and the outer surface with some silicone, the degreaser. So, because I like to tape up all the fenders, and I'll use tape drape so it doesn't get any overspray around the area. So make sure the lenses are clear, but you know, once I sand them down, I'll go ahead and hit up the degreaser and silicone remover, so there's no oils or contaminants on the lens itself. So it'll be ready for clear, so it wouldn't have no spider webbing effect or the eggshell things when the clear coat separates. So much better. Let it sit for a bit, then I put outside in this beautiful Florida sun. Let it cure for a bit, and then be good for delivery and pickup. Woohoo! Yes.